Hi everybody, how are you? We're here in the apartment in Guadalmina. It's a beautiful day. We signed the contract with the client to start this renovation project. Today is an important day because today we're taking out the hammer. We're going to break the walls. We're going to take out the sanitary, the bathrooms, the kitchen, etc, etc. So we can start with a clean slate. So let me show you the state of the apartment is in right now. So here we go. Well, all the furniture has been taken out already. We prepared ourselves here with the plans so everybody knows what to do, which walls to break down, etc, where the plumbing goes, electricity. So as you can see, the first things have been taken out. We've marked the walls that we are going to take out. We're going to amplify the whole of the lounge. This used to be the master bedroom as well with the bathroom. That's all going to be taken out. Right here you can see the old kitchen, which is going to disappear completely. We're going to take all this wall out as well. We're going to amplify the kitchen, make it actually a walk-through. And for example, this bedroom will stay as it is, but it's going to be completely renovated. The views are really nice from this apartment. So yeah, this is the first stage. It's the breaking time. So I will keep you posted how things are going. I'll see you soon.